Hey guys! Hey, so Faustino and I are taking a road trip. We are here with our friend Ndejwa and his family, and they are going to help us out with our cabinetry.
All the way down.
Morning, guys.
Hey, what's up? What's going on?
Hey, so today is the next day, and we are finished up with painting our garage walls.
Right, they're fully dry now. It's been about 24 hours, and we're getting ready to mount them in today. The staining came out pretty good. I think it came out nice.
Yeah, I like the color. I really like the color. I know that we didn't stain it the way that it's supposed to be stained. We kind of painted the stain on, but I like the outcome. I'm pretty happy with this color over the color that I originally thought it would be. Okay, guys, so I guess we'll get started. Deuces!
So what you doing right now?
So right now what I'm doing is I am actually making the outline using the original plywood that we cut. So I just put the plywood on top of another complete sheet of birch plywood. This is actually 3 1/4 inch plywood that we're using. And I'm just making the outline so you can have a template basically to cut by.
It's looking good.
That is some nice sun. It feels so good. It's a cold day out here today, you guys. So let's go. Now Faustino is just going to remove this top piece and he's gonna start cutting. Right?
I am.
Okay, well, let's go.
All right, then.
All right. So the goal is to be as precise as possible with this birch plywood because like I mentioned before, this plywood is $54 a sheet. So we're gonna measure 5 times and try and only cut once. So now that you've cut out the big piece for the wall of the garage, I'm just gonna cut out these little holes here for the holes of the door jambs. I think that's what that's called anyway. Either way, that's what I'm about to do.
How you feel about your cuts?
Not too happy with them. See, I'm not a really good turner, and these corners will prove that. But I don't know.
They look good though.
We can modify them a little bit and they'll be okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna try and see if this fits in the van. So let's go. Then we'll see if we need to make any more cuts. Okay, so it looks pretty good. It fits. Now we do have to make a few minor adjustments. We're just going to cut that piece out over there where Faustino's hand is. Show them where?
Right here.
Yeah, so we're going to cut that out because it kind of doubles. So right now it's sitting on the furring strips, and that's not what we wanted to do. We kind of want it to be flush against the wall of the van. So we're going to cut that out. And did you want to trim it down a little bit more, or what do you think?
No, this is fine. This is fine.
Okay, well, cool.
This is a perfect cut. Yeah, good trace, good cut.
Awesome. Okay, so we just finished cutting out the walls for the garage. And now what we're going to do is we are going to sand them down, and then we are going to stain them. Now I've been kind of back and forth with this color, so this is really the reason why I want to stain it, because I want to see exactly how it looks before I decide on what color I want our cabinets to be. So here goes nothing.
So Tenaj is getting ready to drill the hole to make room for the cable on the passenger side of the garage wall. Let's see. So what's going on now?
I am actually staining the birch plywood that we got, and I don't know, it's coming out pretty cool. I like this color. It's not too dark, but I want to see how it looks when it's dry, so we'll see.
What's going on?
Okay, so it is, what is it, like 5 or 7 days later?
It's like 7 days later, yeah.
It's 7 days later. So we took the van over to the mechanic and we had some work done.
Right, we had some knock sensor issues, so basically we haven't been with the van since about 5, 6, 7 days now. Yeah.
So if you guys get the 10 start warning, then do your research, because it could definitely be detrimental.
Right, it could be a number of things too. So that's what it's been, and now we're picking up with
the bathroom. So yeah, what we're about to do now is we are going to caulk the floor. When we left off, we were caulking the floor, so we're going to continue to caulk the floor, because when we got the van back, we realized we may not have put enough caulking down. So we'll do that, and then we'll start working on the walls. Now I know you may have seen the video previously when we kind of had the walls up, where it looked as if we had the walls up. Well, when we took the van over to the mechanic, we decided to take the walls down and redo them once the van returned. So that's why you guys don't see any walls in the back, but we're working on that today. We're going to start with the back wall, and hopefully we can get to building the side walls. What do you think?
Yes, hopefully that works.
Hopefully that works. Okay. Yeah, so we're about to get started, guys. We'll see you in a few. Deuces! Now Faustino has this new tool that he's not completely 100% comfortable with, so hopefully this works.
So I think this is called a Board Street Edge Cutting Tool Ruler.
You should have just you should have just left it at your new tool.
It makes straight lines, I think.
Mm-hmm.